Sequoia Tool is an industry leader in tooling, sheet metal manufacturing, and assembly for over 30 years. Our highly specialized team can take a concept from prototype to production all under one roof, making this minority-owned, family-run business a one-stop solution for all manufacturing needs. Sequoia Tool supports a diverse array of industries both domestically as well as internationally, including automotive, aerospace, agriculture, consumer appliance, and defense, just to name a few. We provide value to our customers in all industries through our dedication to quality, as well as rapid product development. We pride ourselves in being able to ship high-quality products to our customers quicker than any of the competition. With this mindset, Sequoia has worked strategically to vertically integrate our company by acquiring a tooling foundry, as well as having all manufacturing operations under one roof. Over the last 30 years, we have manufactured a wide variety of ever-evolving products, including multifaceted tools, automotive body and chassis components, farm equipment solutions, heavy-duty military trucking components, Class A consumer appliance elements, and even spaceship materials. In addition to these products, we have also supplied complex assemblies to these industries. We have also focused on making contributions to the sustainability of our planet by developing and supplying electrification battery systems for multiple vehicles, as well as producing alternative energy components. Sequoia is able to meet these rapid customer needs with an extensive variety of continuously evolving equipment and machinery. From cutting-edge computer-aided design software, extensive capability in stamping, CNC machining, laser cutting, robotic and manual welding capable of covering all different material types and styles, in-house rapid tool building, as well as state-of-the-art precision quality measuring machines. Sequoia has it all. We take pride in accepting challenges from customers that may seem unrealistic to most, which has helped us grow and sustain our business for years. Our goal is to never say no. We could not make our goals reality without the help of our incredible employee team. Recognizing our people are vital to our success as a business is imperative. Investing in our employees has been key to attracting and retaining top talent for years. Offering apprenticeship programs, off- and on-site training, and many other employee benefits have allowed us to create and maintain our incredible team. The team at Sequoia understands, without constantly evolving and taking risks, you are destined to be left behind. One of our mottos passed down from our founders for decades is, "What goes around comes around." This motto drives our dedication to not only our customers, but also our employees and suppliers, helping to achieve our industry-leading goals in the past, present, and into the future.